Hey folks, welcome back to the Tower Tech. We're doing a major upgrade on our SMA A8. We've got some RTX 2080 Ti's that we've got some blocks on. We've got these vertical mounted, so for the revision A SMA A8 that I bought, rather than move everything over to the entire new case, I've just kind of moved the bits of the revision A that I wanted into this case. This video is predominantly going to be me building. You'll be pleased to hear minimal amounts of me talking. We've done a great flush through of the loop. You can see it's not quite finished. It's we're about 12 hours in now and I'm quite tired and I'm missing some 90-degree fittings that I need to finish it. So this is a two-parter. Let's get into it. The first part of the video is finished. In the next part we're going to get the second loop fitted with our 90-degree fittings. Hopefully we're going to bunk up our score on the 3D Mark Hall of Fame and see what those RGB blocks from EK really can do. So there we go guys, that's the end of part one. I hope you're really well wherever in the world you are. Please like and share this video and make sure you're subscribed if you're not so you don't miss all the great content to come. And I will see you in my next one.